Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off autocorrection of spelling mistakes in Google Docs. So autocorrect can automatically correct capitalization and spelling errors in Google Docs, and it will apply for lengths, lists, as well as quotes. And you can go ahead and modify this general setting by selecting the Tools tab and then select Preferences. Where it says automatically correct spelling, you can check mark that option. And then you may also want to adjust the companion option here to show smart reply suggestions instead. So you might want to check mark both of them or deselect both of them depending on what your overall preference is. And then you would select OK to save the change. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.